Last guest on News Hour tonight is Urban Development Minister Kamal Nath. Very happy at the inaugural of the Bangalore Metro. Should it have happened earlier, Mr. Kamal Nath? And now that it's happening, how will it take the city ahead?
Well, this is the first stretch of phase one, and
yes.
The phase one consists of 42 kilometers. This is about 8 odd kilometers. The phase one will be completed by December 2013, and then we launch the phase two, which will have a much larger network going to Electronic City, Whitefield, and all other parts. So this is a historic occasion because this is the first metro in South India.
Now, sure it is. I mean, it's an incredibly positive step for the people of Bangalore. But what about cities like Mumbai and their hassles? You know, there are major projects in Mumbai that are pending approval at the very top. What happens to cities like Mumbai?
Yes, there are proposals pending, and we are giving Mumbai priority because Mumbai, and as much as any of major urban cities today, the mega cities, have exceeded their carrying capacity, and both in terms of urban transportation, in terms of urban infrastructure. In India, growth has preceded infrastructure, and that includes urban infrastructure. So we are really, what we are going to do, and which we are addressing with the highest priority, is not building for the future, but catching up with the past.
Yes, but you'll have to move fast because these projects require about 10 years, at least from start to completion. And you have 2.5 years of UPA left. How will you set the clocks moving a little faster?
The urban pressure is profound in India, and 60% of our GDP is generated now in our urban centers. In the next decade, it will be 70% of GDP will be generated with a population of 500 million people living in our big cities, small cities, in our municipalities, smaller municipalities. We are launching the Urban Renewal Mission, the Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission Phase 2, with learning from Phase 1 where the delays took place. And of course, we want to prioritize urban projects, which especially include sewage, transportation, water, waste management, and have state-of-the-art projects, because sometimes you have projects which are not necessarily the best. Having learnt from the first phase of the JNURM, the second phase is going to be, I think, not only much faster, but will have greater content. This is extremely important, and we are looking now at urban transportation in all cities, that means metro in all cities with a population of more than 30 lakhs. We have already started the metro in Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Mumbai. Work has started, and we are looking now at other cities so that we don't get left behind. We are giving it the highest priority, and I think it's not 10 years what it will take. Some do take time, but these are projects which have a gestation period of 2 to 3 years.
Kamal Nath, all the best. May you move quickly forward, and thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight.